Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm sharing how to install the cartridges on HP DeskJet 2720. So we need to take out the cartridge and remove this orange label which is on the top, and you need to make sure that it has the power connector. So because without power connector it's not going to work. You cannot install the cartridges, so just make sure that you're connecting to the power and switch on the power after you plug the power cable. Alright, so now we have to install the cartridges. So just make sure you power on the printer with the power button, and after that you just open the tray which is on the front side, and from there you can open there is another tray which you need to open. So automatically the cartridge panel, it will be aligned to the center so that you can insert the cartridges to the printer. Alright, you need to wait like 1 to 2 minutes to just to make sure the calibration of the position. After that you can just insert the cartridges, both cartridges like I have inserted. You just need to make sure that it is aligned to the silicon parts. So that's how it works. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe the channel.